Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Humayun Khayari. My dear friends, do not take criticism personally. What do you think about it? What do you do when people criticize you? What are the steps? What are the strategies which you follow when you are being criticized? Do let me know in the comments below. I would be more than happy to respond to all of your comments. But here, my humble request to all of you that do not take criticism personally because it would drain your energies. Yes, it would demotivate you. Rather, you should try to understand the factors. You should know what are the steps which you can take at the time of receiving and facing criticism. So let's get started. My dear friends, when you are being criticized at that particular time, you need to feel satisfaction. You must enjoy that particular moment. Do you know why? Because this is the right time when you can understand your own importance. Yes, you are doing something extraordinary. Yes, you are moving on that particular way where no one can easily go. If your dreams are bigger, if your objectives are too much huge at that particular time, people would feel that they won't be able to align themselves with you. They feel that they cannot catch you. They feel that they cannot even stop you. So they do not have any choice except to criticize you. So what you should do, you need to understand all those factors. Yes, you need to understand how you can respond to the negative people, how you can respond to the negative comments of the people. So here I am going to give you some practical tips. First of all, you must have broad smile on your face. This is the real answer to the questions. This is the real answer to the criticism of the people. And on the other hand, you need not to react. Yes, you need to use your brain. You need to utilize your wisdom at that particular time. You need not to reply to them. You need to keep quiet and move forward. Yes, this is your duty. Only the results which you would get after putting in all your efforts would only respond to those people. So in this way, you can not only manage the negativity, you can not only manage the negative people, the criticism of the negative people, rather you can easily save your energies. You can safeguard your intentions, and you would never waste your positivity on the other people. Rather, you are only focusing upon your own personality. Last but not the least, your focus must be upon your target. Yes, you need not to think about those people who are lagging behind. Yes, they know that they cannot catch you. And you know that you have to achieve your target. So in this way, I am very much thankful to all of you. Stay blessed. Be happy. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.